Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today's video is a response to some of your requests regarding some work from home jobs, which you can do as part-time for the students and who have been graduated, for everyone. So in this, we'll be discussing regarding that who can do this. I mean, everyone can do this. The graduating students or graduated students or play student for just extra earnings, everyone can make it with just using a mobile. Okay, some of them I'm going to present two of them today. One you can just make it from your mobile, and one for the one laptop or desktop is necessary. So in this we'll be discussing everything in detail. Just watch this video full and know about it and make your registration. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest soon after we upload the videos. Okay, so one more thing that I would like to make a reminder is we are presenting you the verified jobs or the verified work from home opportunities. So what are the details that we are having right now, we are sharing through the videos. But if you wish to get something else, something further you wish to know, please do let us know in the comment section. So definitely we'll seek into that. We will send those queries to wherever possible. Like we'll be connecting with the team, whoever we could possible, and we'll be letting you know if any updations from there is given to us. And also one more thing, if there is any updations to be given than about this video or which is not included in this video, we'll be making it as a comment and pinning it in the comment section. So if you have any doubts, just go through the comments and any pinned comments. So if one of two doubts came, we'll be clarifying that and we'll be pinning that comment. So go for that too. Okay, so without further delay, I'm just moving on to the video. So let's get started with the video and let's know how to apply for this job and everything in detail. So as a first, I would like to introduce, this is 2CAPTCHA. You might have been known what is CAPTCHA. We used to come across so much CAPTCHAs. We used to solve so much CAPTCHAs. We get into so much sites, right? But even for the application of some of the jobs or something, they are looking forward for the CAPTCHA verification. CAPTCHA is something like some letters or some numbers will be given in some format. We have to identify them and make it. Okay, so this is actually CAPTCHA. So why entering the CAPTCHA, they'll be in this job, they'll be giving so much of CAPTCHA. We have to identify that CAPTCHA and give them, enter them. This all you have to do. So if you're good at spending time with this, then definitely you can apply for this job. And this job doesn't require any qualification criteria or any criteria, nothing about that. You can just enter the CAPTCHA which is given to us. Okay, so this is the front page. And one more thing is that you can make this in mobile, laptop, however it possible. It is adaptable in any of the devices. So here you can see solve CAPTCHA and work on CAPTCHA recognition. So this is solve CAPTCHA in the sense it is just to solve the CAPTCHA and know about how to do everything in detail. So you can go for this like work CAPTCHA recognition. So it's a home data entry job. Instant payments will be available, easy to start. Okay, so you can go to this quick start link and you can start with it. So before when you get into the link which I have provided, like 2CAPTCHA, you have to log in. So you have to provide, you have to set a password, you have to give a mail ID. After that, you have to get it. Okay, so this is basically that. So if you're getting to the registered account, then you can go for these steps, and after you have to write these CAPTCHAs and register. So I'm just making my login, which I have already did my login. So I'm just making it right away. Okay, so here first, as a first step, you will have to face some test. Test in the sense they will be like we have been forefront some of the CAPTCHA only. There are so much types of CAPTCHAs. So here you have to go like they'll be giving something. You have to get into that. Like I'll show you as a demo. So this is the first link that you have to get in. Like you have to go to the start work link, and afterward you have to complete 45 CAPTCHAs, which is given here. That is something like they are testing you, or they'll be aiding you, like how to find the CAPTCHA and how to answer about it. Everything will be aided. So as a simple example, I would show you have something like that. Your account has been put into sleeping mode. Press start to continue. Okay, so I just have to start this with this. Okay, so they will be giving some captchas, you have to enter that, and some hints will be provided just to make us know or just to make us understand what is this actually, how to solve it. So with this 45 examples, they will be showing us how to do that in detail. After that, only after passing this only, they will be giving you the right content to make earn money. So this is not actually the training or the some testing process. This is actually giving you a training like how to make, how to identify the captures. So as you can see here, this is the first thing. There is no time limit and all. You can see 281737 is actually the number given here from the first view. So you can see that here you can earn money entering the text from images. But first you have to complete the training. It's fast and easy. You see the image that contains the text 281737. Just edit this text and click send. Okay. So this is what you have to do. So as a model, I'll just show you like, yeah, I'm just sending it. So I'll be getting the other one. Okay, now first captures which I have entered is something like introduction part. So from this they are counting. Okay, that is, this is the number they have given. So hint is provided. You can hit enter key on your keyboard instead of clicking send. Type the answer for the image and hit enter. Okay, so this is about it. So here you can see 29274805, I guess. So I'm just giving that. I don't know whether it's right or not, but let me give something random. Okay. So if I click enter, if it's right, they'll be moving on to the next question. If it is not right, they'll be giving you hint. Okay, this is not the right, and this is how you have to go for that, everything. So great. Let's try more complex images. Enter letters and numbers from these images. Be careful. Make sure that your keyboard is switched to English. Okay. So more letters and images from this 9, 4, Y, S, S, M. Okay. So after the send, like this, you have to go for the 45 captchas they have presented. Then only you will be finishing your training level. So here they provided numbers are corrected, and it's hard to decide which one is 7 and which one is 1. So always this is the main problem, like 1 to 7, 1 and 7, there will be some confusions. So hint, 1 always has a stripe at the bottom. It's like standing on the top of a strip, like this will be the line and 1 will be standing like this. And 7 does not have such stripe, but sometimes it has a tick at the middle. So in this K notation, 1 will be having a strike like this and 1 will be standing like this. This is something related to 1. And coming to the 7, they don't have this place to, but they'll be having a cut in between. So like this, hints will be there in all of the captchas that you pass through for the 45 captchas. Okay, this is to make you to identify how to go for different types of captchas. We might be knowing only the letter identification or number identification, but that there are so much types of captcha. So after you go for everything, and when you pass your training, then you can definitely get into this job. And like this, so much captchas will be given to you, and you have to solve it. According to the solving everything, you will be getting earned. Okay, so I'm not further extending this things. I have to explain the one more the other thing. So this is actually about it. So you can get into the site and explore yourself and know about it and make your registration and start working. Okay, I think it's very clear. So I'm moving on to the other, which is online tutoring jobs. That is, here we have a company like Swiftlearn. So they are like online teaching jobs. Okay, they are like something like a tuition for 1 to 10th grade. Okay, so here they are looking forward for the skilled trainees for teaching their students who have enrolled to here. So here you can go for the teaching jobs. Whoever is interested to teaching from 1 to 10 standards, then you can go for here. So the link will be there in the description. From that, you can go to this page and you can open this Teach with Us. Okay, so here you have to give all your personal details and you have to wait for the response. So as you can see, if you want any further detailing regarding the Swiftlearn, again, there is in the site itself, they have clearly given every details. So yes, this is it. Teaching essentials, training, teach anytime, anywhere, earn well, community, teach with us. So this is the steps. First, you have to apply, then there'll be interview, they'll be short listing them like demo. You have to provide a demo with some contents, and after that there will be training session according to their policies, like Swiftlearn company policies. They will be training you to how to do that, and will be start teaching. Okay, so this is actually cool if you are ready to mingle with students, and this is actually great job. So here you can see, yes, some of the examples who have gone for this. Okay, so after that, to make your application, you have to go for this apply link. Okay, this is how we have to apply for this the teaching jobs in Swiftland. So here you can see a doc form, Microsoft form. You have to give your mail ID, name of the teacher, gender, contact number, laptop availability. This is what I mentioned. This is laptop is required because you will be going for the online classes, online tuitions. So laptop is very much available, should be there. And internet connections, how what kind of internet connections do you have? Your qualification, city, past experience in teaching, first preference of standard, second preference of standard, first preference of subject, second preference of subject, and you have to attach your CV and submit. So even if you're looking for part-time jobs, even studying students, you can go for this. It's not a problem that you have not graduated or something like that. You can go for this. But when you have prepared your CV or resume for some companies, then you have to make some alterations since this is different. This is a teaching job. So you have to make some alterations in your CV or resume and you have to upload it here. Okay. So this is the steps regarding online tutoring jobs and the capture jobs which I have presented. So in capture jobs, you can go for the mobile, but in this laptop is necessary. So you can, the links will be there as I've mentioned. So you can go for that. Still, if you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. If it is true to our knowledge, then definitely we'll be replying you or responding you at the earliest. So that's all for today. Until I come up with another video regarding so much of opportunities which you are looking forward. Thank you and have a great day. Everyone stay safe and stay tuned to online study for you.